This is conceived as a showcase for the kind of age of power, age of kind of clean electricity. The London Power Company conceived of this as that showcase.
Because this area's been maybe mothballed for probably 15 to 20 years, everywhere we go there's a discovery. Something's in worse order than it was before or better order. So we needed a company that not only had the skill set but also the flexibility to tackle the project almost on the hoof.
Refurbishment work, as it's often referred to, goes to a Premier League status when you're doing heritage restoration work. And what it does is it shows that capability in Lucas to do high quality refurbishment work at the most challenging level, really.
I think with repair contractors, the critical thing is that there's an appreciation for a heritage and that they understand the care that needs to be taken. In any conservation project, you're setting out on the basis that you're going to keep everything, and then you have to make decisions based on what benefit you're going to get by changing any of that.
Lucas were instrumental in agreeing the budget with us. Sometimes you've got to flex on what we do, and Danny and his team have been brilliant in being flexible. It will be an area to behold when it's finished in a few months' time.